Thanks for subscribing, thanks for following me, thanks for commenting, thanks for liking. So in today's video we are unveiling or unboxing Tecno POP5P, also known as BD3. BD3 has a 32 storage and 2GB RAM. So it's branded POP5P. So here are the specs we expect it to have. It has 6.52 HD dot notch screen. It has a mega battery of 5000 mAh which can work up to 3 days. 32GB ROM, 2GB RAM, face unlock, fingerprint sensor, 8MP front camera with flash. So let's see here. Let's open and see. So this is the phone. Here are the earphones that came with the phone. This is how they look like. Away from that, let's see. Comes with a charger which looks like this and a USB. It also comes with a cover which is transparent. So let's see the phone. So here is the phone. It runs on Android 11. This is how it looks like. Let's see. So we are setting up the phone. Let's see here. So here is the phone. This phone is way different from POP5, which has 16GB RAM and 16GB ROM and then 1GB RAM. So this is how the phone looks like. Let's go to settings and see. So these are the settings. It's called Tecno POP5 Pro or Tecno POP5P BD3. So these are the specs. It has 2GB RAM, 32GB ROM, 8MP front camera, then 5MP. It has 5000 mAh of battery. Then its screen resolution is 720 by 600. It runs on Android 11. So this is how the phone looks like. It's very good and it's worth buying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my YouTube channel, Musa Soft Phones and Solutions.